principal, Wilson Division Academy of Management, Professional Education and Research from the Indore, Madhya Pradesh. NAC team member is Professor Ram Pradesh Prasad Singh, former Vice Chancellor of Jawaharlal University, Chaibasa. I would like to request Dr. Subudai Mandavkar to welcome the Professor Ram Prasad Singh sir with her bouquet and shawl. Our Subudai Mandavkar is past near about 85 years and he econometrics also work for the
This is a separate hack. This is our IPSC and NACO.
You are going to present here.
Welcome to Indira Mahajan Kalam NAC team. Myself, Principal Dr. Pawan Mandavkar. This is our college, a multi-faculty co-educational college of arts, commerce and science. This is our visionary society. Dr. Yashwanta Moreshwar Donde, the photograph is here, that he was on 25th February 1974, the Dr. Bhau Mandavkar, which we have seen that in the seminar hall, has formed Dr. Yashwanta Moreshwar Donde Sarvajanik Shakshanik Trust with the financial help of him and in the name of his father-in-law. He was a great MBBS doctor in British rule and worked in 1965 war. Then this is Mrs. Indira Yashwanta Donde. She was on 20th June 1983. Dr. Bhau Mandavkar started in the name of Indira Donde this college, that is Indira Mahavidyalaya, because she was the mother-in-law of Dr. Bhau Mandavkar and he fought against the casteism and classism and married intercaste in 1929. Then this is our founder president, Dr. Bhau Mandavkar. He was a great renowned writer of Marathi language and literature and wrote 125 books. He was worked as a researcher, social worker, educationalist. His many books got many awards. In his book Kolam, it was a great deep research on the tribal community of this belt, which bagged the first award of Maharashtra government in 1966 and PhD from Nagpur University in 1969. Then he was a novel on orphans, माझी 40 भावंड, मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने भाई, इस नाम से जो उनका किताब है वो 6 एडिशंस में निकला है और हिंदी एडिशन में उसकी निकले हुए है. He fought against the casteism, classism and married intercaste and never run behind the money and kept himself away from politics. He worked on many committees of government, different universities, organizations, and he got many awards on overall contribution to society, including the Adivasi Sevak Puraskar of government and Sahitya Vachaspati, which is equivalent to Billing. And then she is Dr. Sindhu Mandavkar, is the ex-president and a member of our society. She is also retired principal. Then this is our chairman. At present our chairman is Afghanistan. He is starting from Kabul today to via Dubai. He will come tomorrow morning here because his flight is coming from abroad. He is a BTech Agriculture 1983, MBA IIM Ahmedabad 85 first merit, and then he is at present CEO of GRASP. He has 35 years of experience of planning, implementation, monitoring and evaluation, wide ranging in rural development, water resources, watershed projects. Then also he has designed the institutional arrangements and project cycles in the medium of large scale programs like Indo-German watershed, then district poverty initiative program, Karnataka tank rehabilitation project, Jal Swaraj in Maharashtra, PRI wash programs in Himachal, and micro area development programs in Afghanistan. Then family strengthening program of SOS Kinderdorf and Kutch drought proofing program. He has worked as a notable voluntary organization like Social Center Marathwada Sheti Sahaya Mandal and Indo-German Social Service Society and Kutch Nirman Abhiyan. Then he has been director of the PAX. Then he has been the secretary of NAVDA and presently CEO of the GRASP. He is associated with the many professional societies as mentioned here. He has got 2 awards from World Bank, Washington DC and Santa Clara University, California. This is our present governing body. Mr. Yugandhar Mandokar is president. We will join us tomorrow. Mr. Dr. Meera Mandokar we have met just now. She is the vice president. Then secretary. Myself is the vice secretary. And he is present here. Mr. Lalak Mandokar is member, and Dr. Sindhu Mandokar is also at present. She is the ex-president of our society. Next. As mentioned in the SSR, our vision is to cater the value-based education for the all-round development of rural and tribal students, to make them capable to touch the new horizons of the knowledge and employment for their future, as well as emerge responsible citizen for the service of community. Then there are core values. Next, our mission is to extend higher education in rural and tribal area students like Kolam, Ralegaon and Babulgaon neighborhood area. To develop the self-confidence, moral values, leadership qualities, enterprises among the students through NSS and TCA. Then to create the interest for syllabus studies with the different methods to develop the sense of adjustment of the knowledge, collection to enhance the cultural identity of heritage. Our objectives and goals are also as same as mentioned, vision and mention, and put on the website also. Then about our college, this is established in 1983, Arts, Commerce, Science. BA BCom BSc started in 1983, BA and BCom BSc started in 2009, and then MA and MCom we have started in 2016-17. This is affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Our Arts and Commerce faculty is permanently affiliated by university. Science faculty is affiliated for 5 years. And then just 2 years ago we have started PG courses that are 2 years affiliation we are having. Then other courses we are running 12 total courses, 9 are introduced in the last 5 years, and we are having the junior college of 11th and 12th Arts and Commerce. We are having 2 shifts. In morning shift we are running the junior college and commerce faculty. In afternoon shift we are running the other faculties. And medium of official language is Marathi. This is the list of our principals of the institute since 1983 to I am the principal since 2007. Regarding myself, I would like to tell you I am double postgraduate in Marathi and English, B.Ed and NET and PhD. At the age of 16, I joined the Indian Air Force as an airman and technical semi-technician in the Air Force. I have done the 7 years of service, and at that time I was at Chennai, Chandigarh and Uttarlai at Pakistan border, Badmer district. Then I have completed at the same time BA and MA. And then after I have joined as a school teacher, then lecturer, and now I am the principal. I have wrote 40 books in the Marathi language on the different subjects including stories, novels, poetry, research, etc. One of my book, Kilbilat for children, has got the Sahitya and Sanskriti Maharashtra government's publishing grant, and another one, my PhD thesis Daya Pawar, Varmay Darshan and Chikitsa on Dalit literature, got a PhD, got a publishing grant from the UGC, and Bandmaster has been awarded with the best story book in Marathi. Next. This is my achievement. I am on the different bodies, advisory or editorial boards of the different research journals of national level or international level. We are publishing 2 journals national level. This is Research Journal of India and Marathi Pradhyapak Sanshodhan Patrika with ISSN. I am the chief editor that both the journals. I have been awarded with the Acharya Kaviratna Puraskar, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Puraskar and Sahitya Gaurav Puraskar. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Puraskar has got in Indore, and that I am paper setter of Amravati University and Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya Indore. More than 25 times I have setted the paper for PA and MA in Marathi and Marathi literature. Then I am the member of I have worked as a member of selection committee and placement committees during last 5 years more than 20 times. I am the president of our university's Marathi Pradhyapak Parishad, that is language Parishad. Then I am the writer of the part of the textbook for Marathi subject for the distance education of Amravati University, and recently I have got the research guide from SGB, Amravati University. This is our CDC. I would like to tell you that the student participation is always in our CDC as per the new UGC rules and university law. Next. Facilities. We are having the most important facilities are in blue color. We are having the Students Consumer Cooperative Store. Then we are having the Cooperative Credit Society to give the loan to the our staff. And we are having gymnasiums, sports facilities, 3 acres of playgrounds, then central library with book bag and enlist also we are having the facility. Other facilities are as it is classrooms, labs, seminar hall, girls common room, facilities for differently able students, career counseling, guidance, suggestion box, etc. These are the few points that why students opt our IMB. Next. This was the roadmap of 2013, 14 to 17, 18, and most of the points we have achieved. We have thought that we have to introduce the new program like MA, MCom. We have introduced it, then to introduce the certificate courses. We are having the 12 certificate courses, 9 since in the last 5 years. Then to introduce the to execute the teaching learning process through ICT. We are trying to maximum get the ICT through smart board and all these things and Google Classroom, etc. Infrastructure, we have renovated our laboratories. As earlier in last NET team visit time it was a small one, and now it has considered around 1200 square foot huge laboratories. We are all the programs we are doing the encouragement to staff and students to organize participate in events to get a financial assistance from UGC. Next. Regarding activities, all the activities curriculars like seminars, guest lectures, debate competitions, group discussion all are all here. We are having the NSS participation in the students in blood donation camp, pulse polio. I am also regularly donating the blood per year at this camp, and we are having the two publications as earlier mentioned, the Research Journal of India and Marathi Paragraph Sanshothan Patrika, that is the ISSN National Level Journals. We are having the college magazine of Kadambini, wallpapers, ISBN books we are publishing through our Dr. Bhau Mandavkar Research Center. Then value education, as it mentioned here, all the other activities we are doing. Additional services are we are giving the career counseling guidance, psychological counseling, publishing of the book as mentioned. Then English taxation, free of English taxation and soil testing. Next. Now I will go through slightly criteria wise so that the evaluation gets simple. This is our criteria number 1, effective curriculum delivery. We don't have any freedom to design the syllabus, but we suggest to BOS of the Amravati University that what should be the syllabus that let us our faculty send to BOS of Amravati University. Then all departments prepare academic plans for effective implementation. Curricular activities like seminar, workshop, group discussion, study tour are on regular basis. Continuous internal.
All these have been already given in the
Okay.
SSR. Okay. So what we need later on, we will verify the documents.
Okay.
Of each and every.
Okay.
Just in the previous, go to the previous slide.
Okay.
Again previous. All the whatever you have mentioned.
Okay.
That we are giving this, we are giving this, we are organizing this.
Okay. Okay.
We want to have the documentary.
Right.
Coordinator will see each and every.
Okay. All the maximum documents we have kept here on the table wise.
No problem.
And other departmental activities, all files are kept in the departments.
All facts are given in your SSR.
Okay. Okay.
And our main aim to visit this college is to verify all the
Correct.
rules of all the.
Okay.
Just now you told that your degree college is running in shift system, morning is
Yes,
junior
sir.
college.
Yes, sir.
But in your SSR you mentioned.
Actually,
it is a
junior
regular-
college, as per UGC, you can't run junior college, you need degree college.
No, junior college building is separate one, sir. That side we will show you that building is separate from
Actually,
out
that
of
is a
road
separate
side.
unit, so you should not mention
Okay.
junior college here. Because as per UGC guideline, a degree college should be completely separate. Separate management, separate
Okay.
principal, separate. Whatever you are internal management, we have nothing to do with that.
Okay.
But as per UGC guideline, the junior college has to be completely separated from a point of view of management, area.
We have not mentioned junior college in our SSR, but only I to inform
No,
you
that's why I pointed
You
out.
have tell that the state forward. So degree college is running in shift system or regular mode.
Okay.
Then
Yeah. We are commerce faculty, we are running in morning shift.
so your college is running in shift system or not?
Yes.
Straight away give the
Yes,
answer.
yes.
What is?
In morning shift, it is commerce.
Yes.
In
Running
morning
in
shift,
system.
in morning.
But here you mentioned in the SSR it's regular, not by shift system.
There was, I think, options only regular.
Okay.
Options as per the online options there are website of that.
dilemma in that particular.
We have to keep only that one. Next. This is all the things certificate regarding. I would like to tell you that 9 courses we have started in last 5 years. Tally, soil testing. As yesterday I told to coordinator sir that 2 courses we have got the affiliation from.
What is the student intake per course? Student intake. How much students have taken?
30
13 each.
30 each.
13. And their result?
Sir.
Their result.
Results are kept in all the departments. We have kept the results. Just 2 years ago we have started these courses, and only first batch is out.
Sir is asking that, so when 30 students are admitting in a certificate course, what is the pass percentage? How many students are completing this course?
100%.
100%.
Yeah. And that
They have
is
all the documental evidences?
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
on a department, or each department they are kept. This professor is running that program in his
Different
department.
departments are
Yeah.
running different certificates.
Yeah, definitely.
Tally will run by
So that you have to mention under which department the courses are undertaken or running, that you have to mention, and I will submit a separate copy.
Yoga and meditation associated with which department?
Sir,
Which students admitted to this certificate courses or regular
regular students are
other than regular
yeah. That is small courses, certificate courses, and so
No,
regular
it is
students are
add-on
added
course.
into it.
It is add-on course. But apart from doing their BA, BSc.
Yes,
They are doing this
yes,
certificate.
correct. And we have got the affiliation for Tally